All right, so 2.07 is a discussion-based assessment. This one is required. This one comes at a good place because we should have our thesis statement ready. We should have some sources that we've already found. You should have set up an outline in 2.06, which should help you write your body paragraphs for 2.08. Okay, so this is a nice place for us to have a discussion um, about writing body paragraphs. And again, this one is required. So you will either need to come to class on the day that I have this on the agenda, and you can do it in a small group during class, or you will have to use my link that I will send out and make an appointment with me and meet with me one on one. Okay, so again, it would probably be easier if you can come to class and we'll do it together as a group, or you will have to find a time to meet with me one on one. And again, what we are going to discuss are we're going to discuss some things that you've done in Module 2, but I really want to discuss body paragraphs for the upcoming assignment. So we will talk about how all of those things go together.